think it's just that thing of entertainment and celebrity and really peeling back the veil of celebrity, because the Wags, Coleen Rooney and Rebekah Vardy, have these incredibly privileged lives. They're very attractive. They have an awful lot of money and what seems to be a very attractive lifestyle. And what's come out in this case is that, allegedly it's not as perfect as it seems. There's alleged betrayals, alleged backstabbing, lots of sort of real gritty stuff. When you look at the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case last week, that was fascinating to people because, again, we're looking at very privileged people, but it seems to be that behind closed doors, there's allegedly a lot of unsettling and unhappy behaviour. There's also that thing we like as Brits, is we like to push and elevate our celebrities. We like to put them on a pedestal. And sadly, we also enjoy seeing their demise and seeing them fail. And I think that's part of our pleasure. Public executions, way back in the day, we used to enjoy that. And that's just part of the pantomime of celebrity.
Yeah, I think you're right. There's something in that, isn't there? How the mighty fall. These two women, though, I mean, they really are on a headlock. They just don't seem to be, neither one is backing down. It's incredible, really, isn't it?
I mean, they are two very headstrong women, which I admire the headstrongness and the determination. But really behind this, behind the pantomime and the memes on the internet and the social media and the Wagatha Christie name, is two women who feel incredibly wronged and they feel betrayed. Coleen Rooney believes that someone she trusted on her private Instagram account with personal information, she believes someone has betrayed her. Whereas on the other hand, Rebekah Vardy feels she's been wrongly accused of something and she's desperate to defend her name.
Absolutely, and I guess that their reputations are at stake here. But it really does feel that there are no winners here because obviously these court cases cost a lot of money. When you look at the damages, I mean, it's insignificant, isn't it?
Well, you said it just there. There's an awful lot of money at stake. It's estimated it's already escalated to £1.3 million being spent on this court case, let alone, let's remember, the resources, the court time, all the rest of it. And these women, I think the only winners in this case are going to be the lawyers, obviously their fees and their charges. But what will be interesting to see is how this trial unfolds, who's sort of painted as the victim, because initially when the story broke, when Coleen Rooney posted that now infamous message on social media, she very much was heralded as the victim. She'd allegedly been the one who was betrayed. Yet Rebekah Vardy, if she wins this, I think the public will sway and they might necessarily think that Rebekah Vardy is the victim here and she's been wronged. Let's remember she did receive death threats when this happened. She was heavily pregnant at the time. And that's what her lawyers are arguing, of just how horrible an experience it was for her. But let's not forget, Coleen said it was incredibly upsetting. And her lawyer said today in court that the whole thing left her very paranoid.
Well, we'll have to see how it all pans out. We've got another 7 days, we think, to go. I mean, just how feasible do you think that one day this whole episode may well be turned into a bit of a soap opera or indeed a film one day?
I mean, Daddy, it's already a soap opera.
No.
It's already like a script from the infamous show Footballers' Wives that was iconic in the noughties. It's already reading like this. But I think, the fact that entertainment journalists are the ones covering this case and not court reporters is a sign that there is a sort of entertainment value in this case. There's reports that Coleen is working on £1 million film deal. Whether she's directly involved in that remains to be seen. But I think a film or maybe a drama series, maybe an 8-part series, a mini-series of this would really fascinate people. It might have to be sort of loosely based on the truth, which is what a lot of drama seems to be at the moment. But wouldn't that be an incredible piece of film work?
Absolutely. Get your popcorn. Rebecca Twomey, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.